Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am sharing a natural exfoliating walnut scrub. This homemade walnut scrub deeply exfoliates dead cells and skin impurities, improves skin complexion. Also, it helps in nourishing and revitalizing the skin. It prevents blackheads and whiteheads, unclogs pores, skin breathes, and reduces the problem of pimples. Also, this scrub will improve the skin texture. Make a habit to use homemade face scrub once or twice a week. So, without any further delay, let's begin. Take some walnuts, then transfer the walnut kernels to the mixture jar and grind them to form a coarse powder. Store the grounded walnut powder in an airtight container and use it whenever required to make a scrub. Walnuts are excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, repair skin cells, keep moisture locked, beautify your skin. Walnuts are loaded with antioxidants. It prevents skin damages caused by pollution, dust, and harmful UV rays. Take 1 teaspoon walnut powder. Walnut powder acts as an exfoliating agent and remove dead, dull skin. Take 1 teaspoon fresh curd. Add half teaspoon raw honey. Followed by this, add 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice. You can also add 2 to 3 drops of an essential oil of your choice. Then mix it well. It will form a cream-like consistency. This scrub is suitable for normal to dry skin. Wash your face and apply the scrub. While applying, massage gently in a circular motion. Make sure to do gentle massage for 5 to 6 minutes only. Then leave the scrub for another 5 minutes. After that, wash off with water, pat dry your skin and moisturize. By regular use of this walnut scrub, skin appear radiant, smooth and healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.